Got the squad out here. I could definitely hear Julio. That's Julio. Yup, that's Julio. I heard him from like down the block. Look. It's Saturday. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I got Ludacris. I got Thor. I got Julio. And I got Russ. We got Russ. And Russ. Julio brought his car out. My boy got his car out. Other boy got his car. And my shit is back there. Look at this. Ooh. She look nice. Julio got a crazy, we got an air leak, right? So what we're probably gonna do is probably get a bottle of soap and water to have the car on, probably spray it around, see if we see any difference in it. We don't want to spray brake cleaner because it's gonna fuck it up. But you said it was also overheating, right?
Yeah, it's overheating because it still has a lot of air bubbles.
So I have the kit in the back. We're gonna put the kit here, bleed it. I have antifreeze in the back. Oh, I think I have antifreeze in the water. But you can still use water. But it's better for distilled water. But so how was the car yesterday? Julio, just leave it. Fucking guy. Julio took out the car yesterday. He was out until like 3 in the morning with the car, but the car seems like it drove fine. Just little stuff here and there, but you gotta remember the car hasn't been out in what, 3 years? 2 years? 2 years, right? No. 2 years the car hasn't been. Well, this car was driving automatic. I mean, it had a single cam in it. Then he threw the case swap in it, didn't really drive it, he just put it together. So yesterday was like the first test drive for a couple hours, and he just has a bad exhaust leak. We gotta check these shits too. I know I heard those gaskets go bad.
Nah, that's not bad. We sprayed that yesterday.
Oh, that was good?
Yeah. We were spraying all of these yesterday, and all of the shit was leaking. Like, it was, the idle was just, after we spray it with the brake cleaner, but then I siliconed the shit out of it. And
I have hard silicone though too.
But it's coming from somewhere else, not from there, because when I close it, the car stays on.
Alright, so we're gonna figure this out. We'll come back. Alright, so I was able to make this fit on Julio's. Already had a lot of air bubbles. We couldn't use none of these because these are too small for the radiator, so I just made it work like that. And it worked, so we're just gonna let it idle for 10-20 minutes and just let all the air come out. It's already air come out, so now holding it. Yeah, we still haven't found out Julio's leak, but this shit is really, really hot right now, so let's see what we find. About to put you guys, hold on. You guys want to say something? Say it now to the vlog. Not too sure if you can see it because of the lighting is like really bad, but I'm trying to see if you guys can see it. It looks a little blurry, but you might be able to see it. Say what you want to say, your shout outs, everything. I'll put it in the vlog. It's just super bright out here. Alright, so we couldn't figure out Julio's idling issue, but Julio cleaned up his wheels, well, our friend's wheels. And yeah, now we're gonna just let the motor's still hot. We're gonna let the motor cool down a little bit so we can clean the bay and everything else. We still gotta clean the car also. We gotta put the PCI side skirts on, the front lip. Car's gonna look good.
Had to put my boy Steven to work. Yo,
make sure you record it, boy.
I am. Show them that you get down and dirty. You don't let nobody else do your work.
Yo, holla at me for your detail cleaning, you heard? Oh! Shit, what me OD?
Show them how you get down and dirty.
that dirt coming off. Alright, so me and Julio did a thing. All of this was soaked. This is all soaked. And we got a pool back here. Because there's no better way to clean your car than with a pressure washer and some awesome. And the whole entire car, but it looks clean now. Look at all that water. There's like a little grommet there. I'm going to just pop it. But yeah, car's coming along. Clean the engine bay out a little bit more. Clean, like, we got to clean the trunk around here a little bit more, but should go swimming in this water.
Shit dirty.
Just to let you guys know, it is like 100 degrees. Julio, how hot is it today? Just look at Julio's face.
Yeah.
But look at that. This thing is coming good. You guys remember how dirty the inside was? We literally power washed the whole thing. You guys saw that. This is clean. Inside is clean. Like, this thing is coming together. Look how white Julio made these wheels. I washed the car. It's looking all nice and clean now. This thing is coming together now. I'm gonna attack the engine bay again. Try to do something to make it glossy. If it works, I'll show you guys. And we still gotta put the lip and the side skirts. But it is hot as fuck out here. Alright guys, let me give you guys a little sneak peek. PCI side skirt is on. I waxed literally like 95% of the car, so this thing is literally just shining. Look at the mirrors, molding. Look at this. Everything is just shining. Look at this. Inside, things just look spectacular right now. Look at this. Watch your Julio. Watch your leg. Show them the front of the car. Put the front lip on. The hood is not closed, so. But look at this thing. Jesus. Oh my God. First time Julio ever takes care of a car and makes it look good. I think I wear it off on him. I wear it off on Julio. But look at this. It's about time. Jesus. Alright, so we did all of this and look at the sky. It is officially already raining, but thank God we waxed it, so once it stops raining, we'll just wipe it down again and we'll be good to go. But she looked good. Real good. So, turn on the grill quick. Got like 40 minutes until I gotta pick up my fiance, so turn on the grill. Threw some burgers, some hot dogs. For now, we get some food. I gotta go to a wedding. My fiance, one of my fiance's like co-workers is getting married, so he invited her. I'm gonna go to a wedding today. Holla at your boy, I'm the chef. When have you seen Julio clean every inch of his car? When, Julio? This is a new Julio you guys are seeing. So, I'm gonna say it now. July 14th. What is it? Next Sunday, right? Next Sunday, we're going to the Honda Acura show at ACO. Catch me, Chris, and Julio with the 4-door. Hopefully he don't blow this shit at Greenpoint. The car's like on a stupid base map, and this guy wants to fucking try to beat on it. So I told him to just chill, but the car looks good. What's going on? So this video took a little while. I'm recording right now with my iPhone. This video took a little while because I'm learning how to use Final Cut Pro because iMovie has been messing up on me. So I'm literally just learning how to use this from scratch. So far it's been pretty good. No complaints. But it's just been taking a little bit longer than I wanted to because obviously I had to learn how to use this. But I didn't get to record Julio when he left because I just ended up going to pick up my fiance. Julio's car is running perfectly fine. He just did a wheel alignment today. I just gave him some oil from my dad's job, so he's gonna do an oil change today. Sunday we're gonna be, well, this video is gonna really be out, but hopefully see you guys at English Town on Sunday. Julio's car literally came out amazing. As you guys can see, I literally put my blood, sweat into that car. Literally waxed it at like 100 degrees. I used carnival wax on the whole car. Detailed the engine bay, did everything on that car. The car looks amazing, still looks amazing. I never put that much time into nobody's car, so luckily it was for Julio. Guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was a short one, but it was a lot going on that day. It was dying of heat. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. If it came out a little bit crazy or not as good as like the last vlogs, I apologize, because once again, I'm learning and I'm only gonna get better. So I'm just trying to give you guys the best content that I could, best quality. I'm trying to upgrade everything. Thank you guys again. I'm literally about to hit 60,000 subscribers, so please guys, like this video, share this video, and remember guys, build to enjoy. And until next time, peace.